Good morning, children. Actually, we have completed our history and civics. Now we'll move to our geography chapter. And the very first chapter of geography is environment. Children, you know what is environment? Can you tell me, or you can send me the messages? Till that, I will explain you the lesson. You can give me your ideas what you understand with environment. Okay, let's begin with the lesson. After a long vacation, when the Ravi started going to school, again he noticed that only the playground next to the school was dug up. So, what he noticed, children, all of you play near your house, everyone has a playground of them. Yes, and he has started, the Ravi has gone to start his school, and he noticed that only playground next to his house, school was dug up. The place when after a long time when you'll go and visit, go back to our school, we'll observe the things what is changed over there. So some things will be new, something will be introduced to us, but something are indifference. So when he noticed that the playground which where the children were playing earlier in the school, and that was been dug, so that was a thing of understanding that when people see such thing, what is the reaction, and when a child sees such thing, what is the reaction. That then he saw that people said that a huge building will of with many flats will be constructed here, there. Then Ravi was almost in the tears. When he heard that the people were talking about that the huge building will be constructed over there, his eyes filled with tears. Now you can understand such a sensitivity a child is having towards the land where he was playing. Now you can understand that how the child is. Do you feel your tears for anything? I don't think so. You don't have that much attachment, but it is not so that it is not in you. Maybe some children will be very sensitive, so they will feel. Now, what is the reason of it? When he realized that the big playground with the soft grass, marigolds, and butterflies has gone ever, he shared his feeling to the classmates, and he, in the assemblies, the principal too sad observed that see how our environment is changing. And he discussed the things with the classmate, and it is reached to the principal. Principal was also attached with the same issues, so he also said that it is he expressed those things in the assembly and said how the things are changing. So it is the class of Ravi asked in the class Ravi asked to the teacher, what is environment? And whatever you see in your surroundings, said the teacher. Now the word what was said by the principal, environment, was in the mind of Ravi, and in the class he asked to his teacher, what is environment? And he then teacher explained him that environment is the surroundings where we live. Okay, so Ravi thought a lot aloud, and that means the school building, table, chair, and the classmate, even the open field and the road, garbage, my friends, all are the part of our environment. Then he asked the curiosity, as you know, children are children, and they ask the curious what they understand. He asks expressing himself. That's the reason I asked you, what do you understand, children, about environment? Because every individual have the various thoughts for environment. I said you and I asked you for that only reason. So he understood that all the things which is belonging our surrounding, because surrounding there are many things in the school. We have table, chair, teacher, blackboard, friends. So these are environment. Yes, said the teacher. But wait, wait. Some objects are created by the nature. For example, the mountain, river, trees, animal, and others are made by the people. For example, road, car, clothes, and books. She said, yes, of course it is an environment, but along with, don't get confusion that some things are made by the nature and some things are made by the humans. So in nature, whatever the things are available, that is called as the natural environment, and the things which is available or made by the human, that is called human made environment. Is it clear? Now the work in pair. Make a list of your classmate and sitting together next to you of the creations of natures and by the human beings. Now you can do this in an activity also, that you should write down you take a pen and pencil, and within 2 minutes or 1 minute you can write it out the things what is made by environment and what is made by nature, and send to me in within 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Only 5 entries will be entertained, not more than it. After it, no need of sending. 5 means only 5 answers I want. You can see in the blue box something is written that environment is basis on the support of the system. It provides the air we breathe and the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. How the human being modified the natural environment. The car fumes pollute the air, water is collected in the pot, for food is served in the vessels, land is used for building factories. The human makes car, mill, factories and manufacture containers, but this is how the human beings modify natural environment. We are also using the natural environment. You can see on that in this picture it is very clearly how the human the components of the environment is related to the various things, and this is only the reason, children, we cannot say that human make resources are only helpful for environment is helpful to human beings. Yes, we utilize those resources for our needs. You can see we are using air, we are using water, we use land, we survive in the biosphere where the various organisms are living. Then we can also see this all are related to the nature, and then human made the things from this are buildings, they make factories, they make bridges, they make roads, they make monuments, they make industries. And again we can see that how the humans are, that is the two components, but again the human is being utilized like natural, political situation, economical, educational, religion, community, family, individuals. Every individual is related with these all components, and then it is made by, which is connected to our environment. We are saying ना हमको क्या करना है, we have to spoil. Many children waste water, many children pluck the leaves and they feel very fun of it, and this is all I tell you. Many children tear the pages and throw here and there. They feel हमको क्या करना, what is that, is fun for them, that is excitement for them. But children, it is very sensitive issues. That's why I said you, many children are not like Ravi to take out the tears for the environment. There are many children who always feel happy to trouble others. So you should be constructive, not a destructive children. Okay, because nature is our gift and we have to respect those things which is given us with free of cost. You are seeing now recently we are suffering with corona. You know what is corona? Actually this is the disease which is spread due to human and not having stability. Now everywhere, wherever the human beings are not going, those all things are living very happily. Those animals, those biosphere which was suffering due to humans, which cannot utter the word because they were innocent, they were helpless. God has given them punishment through corona so that they should understand the sensitivity that human earth is the survival place of everyone, not only for humans to destroy other place and survive over there. You are seeing now many lakes, even the ozone layer has been covered. It has been, earlier it was holding a hole over there. Now it is covered, it is fulfilled that hole. Because of this pollution, it was spoiling the nature, it was spoiling the many animals who are not living in their place only. We were grabbing and we were taking our as a part of enjoyment. We were going to the water resource, we were spoiling it by using steamers, boat with oil contents, and we were destroying their life. We were making the balance, environmental balance disturbance, and we are only responsible for everything. Children, same thing I'm telling you again, please take and respect for each and everything which you get the things granted. Don't take advantage, because we are the traveler in earth. We are not a masters of earth. Only God can handle, and he can only keep the balance of everything, and he knows to keep the balance. That's the reason you can now listen lot of birds why is there. You can see the fresh air to be noticed, to be observed. Sunshine is also not very terrific, though it's summer is going on. So these all things are the causes which is affected somewhere by the humans. Is it clear? So now onwards, never tear pages, never throw water unusually, don't pluck the flowers, don't pluck the leaves, and don't make a fun and be enjoy ki haha I'm doing a very great job. Sorry children, tomorrow you have to repel those things. Increasing by day and day, we therefore modify the times and even destroying the natural surroundings, the teacher replied. From above conservations, you are understood that the place, people, things and the nature is surrounded, any living organism is called as environment. So environment can be defined on the various ways. First she said that it is surrounding where what we live. She has explained a very good explanation part also about it. So in the same way, you might also have the difference of thoughts. Every individual have the difference, but the explanation should be in clear. You cannot just use the words and make the explanation of environment. So in combination of human and the man, nature and the man, human made phenomena. We can say it is also the combination of nature and human made phenomena. While the natural environment refer to biotic and abiotic conditions exist on the earth. Biotic and abiotic is also exist in the earth, because those all flora and fauna is also the part of human survival, and it is also the part of environment. You can see the word biotic of the living organism and the plants and animal. Example, biotic is the world of non-living living thing, that is land. So before going to the next part, I want that you should be clear with this topic, so that in the next period I can teach and continue with the same portion again. You can go through the points, you can ask me the doubt, and you can clarify yourself.